Hello there. Today we're going to go over the review assignment. Now, this is good for credit. We're going over everything, so you're definitely going to get 100. But what I really want you to do is to try it and then watch the video to make sure you got it right. So, on A, we're going to do A. There's a table. We need to answer some questions, so try it out. All right. Okay, you're back. So now we're going to do it together. All right, so first question, is this direct or inverse variation? Okay, so we're going to find out. Now, how we find that out? First, remember we did this before. This was in week 3, and there's more information if you want to look back. Okay, so we're going to multiply 1 times 20. That equals 20. Okay, because now if it's inverse here, x times y equals k. X times y equals the same number every time. 1 times 20 is 20. X times y, right? Now we got this x and y. 2 times 10. I bet you know what that is. And 10 is 20. And then we have 4 and 5 for x and y. So we're doing x times y. 4 times 5 equals 20 again. Now we have negative 5 times negative 4. Negative times a negative is a positive. So we have 20 again. Okay, so it's 20 every time. So that is inverse because every time we multiply y times x times y, we get the same number. So x times, oh, sorry. So inverse. All right, I got the capital locks on. There we go. Inverse. Okay, so now what's the constant proportionality? The k is going to be, we already found it. K is 20. The constant's 20. All right, and then we're going to write the equation. This is all easy work after we did step 1. Okay, so we did inverse, which is this. X times y equals k. So x times y equals 20. Every time you multiply x times y, you get 20. There you have it. All right, so that's the answer to A. All right, let's do B. Now, I want you to try this one on your own first. Okay, so give it a try, and then come back. Okay, welcome back. So again, we're going to see if it's inverse. So how do we do that? Up here, x times y equals k. What is 2 times 14? Oh, I'm really doing it this time. Okay, here we go. 2 times 14 is 28. Okay. Now, if 3 times 21 is 28, then we have inverse probably, but it's not. 3 times 21 is 63. So that's not inverse for sure because x times y isn't the same every time. Oops. Not spelling good today. Not inverse. So it has to be direct because I'm only giving you 2 different types. It doesn't have to be direct normally, but we're going to have one or the other on the sheet and the quiz. Okay, so to find the constant of proportionality for direct, we have to do y divided by x. Now, a lot of people did x divided by y on the homework. Make sure you're doing y divided by x. The first y is 14. First x is 2. There we go. 7. 2 is 7. Next y over here. 21 divided by 3. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. We have 28 divided by 4 equals 7 again. We have here 35 divided by 5 equals 7. Okay, so constant is 7. We found it. K equals 7. Okay. Now we write the equation. Now it's nice and easy because we found all our stuff. Direct variation looks like this. Y equals kx, right? equals kx, but we have k 7. So instead of putting a k there, we put a 7. There's your answer. Y equals 7x. All right, moving to the next one. Okay, we have one more here. Before we do C, make sure you take time to do it on your own. Try it. All right, so we're going to do it together now. Here's the steps. This is just like you did in week 3. So step 1, put numbers in a table. Okay, so there we go. Okay, put the numbers in the table. So we have x is 6 when y is 6. Okay, 6 and 6. It says find y when x is 12. Okay, x is 12, and we need to find y. So I'll put a question mark. Okay, so now what's next? Write the general direct inverse equation. All right, so y varies inversely. Okay, here we go. Inverse. Inverse looks like this. Xy equals k. There it is. I'll just copy and paste it. Y equals k. There we go. So now we did that. Okay, step 3, plug in x and y. So here's an x and y we know right there. That's what we're going to plug in. So x is 6, and that's x times y. Y is also 6. Equals k. Number 4, solve for k. All right. So, get rid of this. Hide tool. There we go. Okay, so what's 6 times 6? 36 equals k. So we know what k is. There it is. We know that k is 36. Okay. Number 5, rewrite the equation in step 2 with k. Okay. So here's step 2. That's the equation. K is 36. So put that right there. All right. Almost done now. Step 6. Plug in x to find your unknown y. X is 12. What's y? Okay, well, here's x. We're going to plug it into here. X is 12. We don't know y, but we know 12y equals 36. And we know that's 12 times y. And the opposite of times is divide. So if you divide both sides by 12, 12 goes away on the left side. That's why we do it. And 36 divided by 12. All right, we found it. There we go. Put it in here. Number 3. There we go. All right. Highlight that green. There we go. What happened there? I guess I'm not going to do that. There goes 3. Okay, so quiz just like this. Quiz, you can look at these notes. You can watch a video. Make sure you do it on your own, okay? All right, good luck.